Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create custom memes using popular templates in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva PC versions. So don't forget to sign in with your account. You can get this Canva PC version or desktop version from official website. You can download it for free. To get started, you can click apps, then click design essentials. Here you can find create a meme. Create and customize popular meme templates. Enhance your Canva design with the Create a Meme app. Access a library of popular meme templates from Image Flip. Add your own tags. Add and seamlessly integrate memes to your design. You can click use in your design, or you can click use in existing design. And here we go. This is a popular meme that you can try to generate. So you can this is bad luck Brian. You can type the text here. This is example: accidentally delete Canva projects, or didn't save, or this one, or this one, Soy Boy versus Chad, or the Donald Trump. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.